Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 15 anti-aging foods that can help you look and feel younger. We're talking about boosting your energy, getting that youthful glow, and feeling fantastic from the inside out. It's not about stopping time, but about aging gracefully and healthily. Staying active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep are all crucial for overall well-being. Make sure to watch till the end to get the full list. You might be surprised to see spinach on this list, but this leafy green is a true anti-aging superstar. Remember Popeye and his bulging biceps? Well, spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health and vitality. We're talking vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and magnesium. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie, sauté it with garlic for a delicious side dish, or toss it in your salads. You can even sneak it into sauces and soups. It's that versatile. Here's a tip for you: keep a jar of mixed nuts on hand at all times. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses that can seriously up your anti-aging game. They're a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which are important for maintaining a healthy weight and keeping your skin looking its best. Nuts are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. So make nuts your go-to snack. Add them to your yogurt, sprinkle them on salads, or just enjoy a handful on their own. Your skin will thank you. Let's talk about sweet potatoes, those vibrant orange root vegetables that are as delicious as they are nutritious. These babies are loaded with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. Beta-carotene acts like an internal sunscreen, helping to shield your skin from those harmful UV. Time to talk about salmon, the king of fish and a true anti-aging superhero. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining the health and elasticity of your skin. Omega-3s work by reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the skin. This helps to keep your complexion clear, your skin supple, and those wrinkles at bay. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish like salmon per week. Grill it, bake it, or flake it into salads. V-rays. So load up on sweet potatoes. Roast them, mash them, or turn them into delicious fries. Your skin will be glowing from within. Let's talk about green tea, the beverage that's been revered for its health benefits for centuries. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, which are incredibly powerful at protecting your skin from aging. These catechins help to neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. So put down the sugary drinks and make green tea your go-to beverage. Enjoy it hot or cold, and feel good knowing that you're giving your body a powerful dose of antioxidants with every sip. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate can actually be good for your skin. Now, before you run off to raid the candy aisle, let's be clear: we're talking about dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, at least 70%. Dark chocolate is rich in flavanols, a type of antioxidant that can work wonders for your skin. Flavanols help to protect your skin from sun damage, improve blood flow to the skin, and even boost hydration. So go ahead and indulge in a square or 2 of dark chocolate every day. Your skin, and your taste buds, will thank you. Those beautiful, ruby red seeds of the pomegranate are like little capsules of anti-aging power. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, even more than green tea and red wine. Enjoy pomegranates on their own, sprinkle the seeds over salads, or add them to smoothies for a burst of flavor and antioxidants. Tomatoes are a staple in many cuisines, and for good reason. They're not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for your health, especially your skin. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from the damaging effects of UV radiation from the sun. Lycopene works by absorbing UV rays and preventing them from damaging your skin cells. Add tomatoes to salads, sandwiches, sauces, or enjoy them on their own. Your skin will be thanking you for the extra protection. Broccoli often gets a bad rap, but this cruciferous vegetable is a true nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to anti-aging. Broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful. One of the key nutrients in broccoli is vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Add broccoli to stir fries, roast it as a side dish, or enjoy it raw with dips. Your skin will thank you for it. Olive oil has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries, and it's no secret that people in this region tend to live longer, healthier lives. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy fats that can also benefit your skin. These fats help to keep your skin hydrated, supple, and less prone to wrinkles. Use olive oil for cooking, drizzle it over salads, or even use it as a natural moisturizer for your skin. Your skin will thank you. When it comes to vitamin C, red bell peppers are true superstars. They contain even more vitamin C than oranges, gram for gram. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Add red bell peppers to stir fries, salads, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Your skin will be glowing from the inside out.
We've all heard the saying, carrots are good for your eyes.
But did you know that they're also amazing for your skin? Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. Snack on them raw. Roast them, add them to smoothies. The possibilities are endless.
So eat your carrots.
Turmeric, the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color, is a true anti-aging superstar. This ancient spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Add turmeric to curries, smoothies, or even just a sprinkle on your roasted vegetables for a flavor and health boost. Thanks for watching.
I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the power of these 15 anti-aging foods.
Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is a great step towards looking and feeling younger, but it's important to combine it with a healthy lifestyle. Stay active, manage stress, get enough sleep, and drink plenty of water. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks.
See you in the next video.